everybody, Roy here from ROyco12 and EpicDroid.com with a super quick video showing you guys how to remove a TONGATE case from any device. TONGATE makes great cases that are insanely protective and are super affordable. However, there are times where you may need to take that device off, whether it is replacing a SIM card or getting in there to clean it, or just because you're ready to put on a different color. There are plenty of valid reasons to remove one of these cases. Now, that insane protection comes with a price, and that price is these cases are very difficult to get off. But once you know the trick, it's super easy. So what you're going to do is you're going to find the case, and here you're going to find your USB-C charging port. You're going to follow it over to the right corner. Here you have this little teeny tiny notch. It's very difficult to see. It's harder to see in person than it is on camera. But you get right in there. You're going to take a fingernail, a coin, a key, something like that. Push that in there, pull back, and then you're going to pry it away from the front of the device. You're going to take the front piece and slide it off. There is usually some adhesive here on the front for a fingerprint sensor. You're just going to gently peel that off as well. And then presto, you are good to go. If you guys have any questions about the process, if you have any questions about TONGATE cases or anything else, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below and we'll reply as soon as we're available. If you've enjoyed this video, if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.